In this video, we're going over 9 faceless YouTube channel ideas to make money on YouTube without actually having to show your face. Yes, it's 100% possible to make money on YouTube without having to show your face, and a lot of the top channels on this platform do exactly this. Matt Parr is only 22 years old and he runs over a dozen channels doing exactly this method, and if he can do it, so can you. Now, let's get into the ideas. So here's a channel called Animal Facts. They have around 182,000 subscribers. They make videos like these, where they get hundreds of thousands of views per video. A lot of top 10 videos where they compare different breeds of dogs to each other. To make videos like this, you can use video editors like OpenShot, HitFilm Express, or Shotcut. And you could record the voiceovers just on your phone. And right here, it says this channel is estimated to make $60 to $1,000 per month just by making these videos. And another channel doing the animal videos is Animalpedia with 269,000 subscribers, around the same amount of views. They get about $200 to $3,000 every month. Here's a scary stories channel named Mr. Nightmare with 6 million subscribers. You can see he doesn't even show his face in any of his videos. You can use stock images from sites like Pixabay and find stories online. Make sure you have permission to use those stories and make videos exactly like these without having to show your face. This channel makes $4,500 to $72,000 per month. Here's a screen recording tutorial channel named Tech Gumbo with 1.28 million subscribers making videos like this. You can use free software like OBS to record your screen and your voice while making these videos. And just think of how many softwares there are that you can make tutorials on. It's almost endless. You can even make tutorials for your phone or computer. Tech Gumbo makes $500 to $8,000 per month using this method. Here's a quiz channel named What's It For with 761,000 subscribers. What kind of beauty do you have? What kind of angel are you? What color is yours? All these have millions upon millions of views. And you can use these videos to give you inspiration to create your own quizzes. You can find viral quizzes online from websites like BuzzFeed. Here, this channel makes around $135 to $2,000 per month. Here's a luxury channel named King Luxury with 300,000 subscribers. You can see they make videos like richest female artist in the world inside the $5 billion Buckingham Palace. You can find all this information online through Wikipedia. You can find images to use like these from stock websites, and you can see they have millions upon millions of views per video. And here, thousands upon thousands of views per video. King Luxury makes $720 to $11,000 per month. Here's another luxury channel named Olix.com, which has 4.2 million subscribers, and they make $1,600 to $25,000 per month. Here's a top 10 channel named The Finest with 7 million subscribers. Here you can see they make top 10 videos with thousands upon thousands of views. The Finest makes $4,000 to $64,000 per month. And another top 10 channel, Top 10s, has 4.8 million subscribers, and they make $3,000 to $55,000 per month just by making top 10 videos without ever having to show your face. Here's a psychology channel named Brainy Dose with 2 million subscribers. Stock footage is good for videos where it matters more what's talked about than what's shown. You can get free stock footage from these websites: Dareful, Videvo, Pixabay, and Pexels. This channel, Brainy Dose, makes $900 to $14,000 per month. They make videos like 14 signs of vitamin D deficiency and 15 cute things girls do that guys love. Here's another psychology channel called Philosophies for Life with 957,000 subscribers. You can use a software like Doodly or VideoScribe to create videos just like this. Philosophies for Life makes $300 to $5,000 per month. Here's an investing channel named Chris Invests with 105,000 subscribers. Here you can see they use the same whiteboard animation styles. They make videos breaking down famous investors' profiles, or they make videos talking about the stock market. This channel makes $63,000 to $1,000 per month without having to show their face. Here's an example of ghost/scary channels, Nuke's Top 5. With 3.8 million subscribers, this channel makes $2,700 to $42,000 per month. Here's another channel, Top 15s with 3.8 million subscribers. They're making $241 to $3.9 thousand per month. And another channel, Chills, with 6 million subscribers, and he makes $2.8 thousand to $45,000 per month. Now check out this video to discover how to actually grow your channel fast to get tons of views and subscribers using secrets that are still working right now. I'll see you in that video.